This video screencast is going to show you how to search the application store for iTunes. Let's look at the iPad. You'll start by unlocking your iPad, generally with a code that you've created yourself, and you'll enter the App Store. This is the icon for the App Store. And you can search for any kind of application that you're looking for. Let's say I'm doing a lesson on osmosis. You can go into search, type in your content area, and I'm going to look for osmosis apps. And it'll bring up any number of apps. And I generally tend to look for the ones that are free, shown here, here, and you can scroll down to see the ones that are available. And I really like to look for ones like this one here. You can see has had a review. This one gets 5 stars out of 5 stars, but it costs. And I have to get pre-approval from my district before I'm able to purchase any applications. Free applications I can download at any time. So here's one that looks kind of fun. It's got some pretty colors and it has some reviews. So I can actually click here and I can go read the reviews. Let's take a look at one of the reviews here that's been given. This one gave a 4-star review and it says, for middle grade levels, this is a very good visualization tool that will engage the type 3 and 4 learners in the classroom, the concrete and hands-on learners. Does a good job explaining how membrane components work together to keep a cell alive, how each component works and why, and engages the user for each step. So this gives me a good idea of what this application can do for my students and for the purposes that I'd like to incorporate it into my lesson. So if you choose, after reading the reviews, and you can read more, one of them gives 5 stars, it says it's a great learning tool. This one here by Mrs. Science Teacher says it's only 3 stars, and you can kind of evaluate and you can go through and look at different apps. When you find one that you like, you click here where it says free, but it might cost, and if you have pre-approval for that, you can buy one. And when you click it, it'll give you the option to install. You click install, and usually you'll be prompted for a password. This is just to prevent students from being able to purchase any that they would like to include. So I'll put in my password. And click OK. And you'll see this little icon. It'll give you the opportunity to stop if you wish, but you'll kind of see as the application downloads. And when it's finished, it will give you the option to open, and see how it says open here. And you'll click it. And it brings you to the application. And then you can go in, and I like to go in generally and spend a little bit of time in the application before having students use it. But this is just a simple way that you can go through and find applications that work for you in your own classroom.